everyone. In this lesson, we are going to discuss reviewing the selection technique in Photoshop, page number 66 and 67. As you can see it on the screen, we are going to create a background with four different colors. This is done by using a rectangular marquee tool and insert a text box. Let's see how to do this. First, we are going to create an empty page or click on new, and here you have to make sure the width to be 1200 and the height to be 750 pixel and the resolution to be 120. Once you are done, press OK. Now, in order to apply a four different color background, first select the rectangular marquee tool and the style. Under the style, choose a style to be fixed size and the width to be 300 and the height to be 750, and insert the box. And in order to fill the color, we are going to use paint bucket tool. Get the paint bucket tool and then choose a color. We are referring page number 66. Choose a color. I'm going to choose red. Press OK and fill it. Now for the second one, the same way, go to the rectangular marquee tool, insert the second box, and then with the paint bucket tool, change the color to be blue and insert it. For the third one, same way. If you can do the first one, the rest are very easy. Okay, now for the third one, and we are going to change the color as yellow. Okay, now the last one is green. The same way, go to the rectangular marquee tool, insert the box, and then in order to color, go to the paint bucket tool and then choose the color. This time we are going to use green. We are referring the page number 66. We are done with the setting the background with the different color. Now we have to insert the text box. To do that, go to the text box option and then choose horizontal type tool, and then you can change the font style from here and the size. Choose a size as 200 and then choose a color as in the book, that is white. Choose a white color, press OK, and then click over here to write the first text. That is A. Once you are done, press the tick mark and then with the move tool, just place them into the correct place. In this way, you can complete the rest. Okay, as I mentioned, as I did here. Okay, we use rectangular marquee tool in order to apply a different background style, and then in order to insert the text, we use a text box function. I hope the lesson is clear to you all. Thank you.